Hello and a very warm welcome to the Independence Day special episode of Colors of India, your weekly cultural diary on Rajya Sabha TV. I'm Tina Jha, and in today's episode, we join you in celebrating India's 69th Independence Day, showcasing you different performances, different ways in which people around the city celebrated India's freedom. So let's start with the lead stories first. To start with, the Festival of Freedom with Jashn-e-Azadi. Next is the making of the tricolour. And finally, a short film on how football can grant freedom to homemakers. The 15th of August every year should not be treated as just another holiday or an extended weekend. It holds far, far greater significance. Celebration in a spirit of pride for the motherland, in memory of the unsung heroes who gave up their lives for the cause of freedom. That's the basic theme. Projecting this very idea was Dance Academy Sadhya's performance titled Jashn-e-Azadi. Take a look.
Sadhya, a modern-day leading dance academy along with Nehru Bal Sangh, organized an epic saga of freedom, Jashn-e-Azadi. Celebrating India's 69th Independence Day by tracing the country's journey from the British Raj to the moment it won freedom.
ये हमें याद दिलाता है कि आज़ादी हिंदुस्तान के लिए 200 वर्ष के बाद जो हमें मिली थी उसकी क्या अहमियत है, वो याद हमें दिलाता है और उसे हमें कभी भूलना नहीं चाहिए। महात्मा गांधी ने ये नारा दिया था ब्रिटिश को कि क्विट इंडिया, आप भारत छोड़कर चले जाइएगा। वो नारे को आज हम याद करते हैं क्योंकि वो संपन्न हो गया है और आज हम सब लोग, खासकर हमारे छोटे बच्चे जो हैं, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं, हम लोग जैसे लोग जो हैं इस आज़ाद देश में रह रहे हैं। लेकिन उस आज़ादी की कुर्बानियाँ हमें याद रखनी चाहिए क्योंकि उनसे हमें प्रेरणा मिलती है।
The play used dynamic lighting, opening with acrobatic moves defining that golden era. Dancing to the tunes of the legendary song Vande Mataram, their electrifying gymnastics raised wonder and awe. The British takeover of Indian provinces in 1858 was depicted in a powerful contemporary piece that evoked that pain of being dominated. Just this pain had given rise to revolutionaries like Mangal Pandey, Jhansi Ki Rani and Bhagat Singh, who braved death for their beloved motherland.
Jashn-e-Azadi production is all about the independence, and we started from that period of the 1857 to the present time, how we got the freedom. So we are highlighting the different aspect of our freedom fighter who fight for to get the independence, like Jhansi Ki Rani and Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, and then from Gandhi, the Nehru. So the whole different aspect we highlighted in the whole production.
The struggles of our heroes brought us the freedom that we live with today.
Arrest him.
Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumphs, was piece depicting the victory of our great heroes. In the sheer selection of the songs, Sadhya dance group ignited a patriotic fervor.
हमारे लिए क्या हुआ, ये ऐसी प्रोडक्शन करना, हमें हमारी फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल की वैल्यू इस प्रोडक्शन के द्वारा पता चली है। और ये सारे रोल्स प्ले करके हमें पता चलता है कि हमारे कुछ सालों पहले की बात थी, कितना कुछ हुआ, कितने लोगों ने जाने दी, कितनी चीज़ें हुई, उन सब के बारे में नॉलेज, उन फीलिंग को, इमोशन को फील करना, ये यंगस्टर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जानना कि पहले क्या हुआ था। आज के डेट में थोड़ा ग्रांटेड लिया जाता है हर चीज़, तो थोड़ा सा अगर सारे यंगस्टर्स जाने कि पहले क्या होता था, वो सब के लिए आज के लिए बेटर होगा।
थोड़ी सी खुशबू बारारी से मस्त पवन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोह रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोह तू रंग दे बसंती, मोह मोह।
After 68 years of independence, the spirit lives on, and this could be seen through the traditional Punjabi performance Mohe Rang De Basanti. Dancing to their freedom, they boasted that the 15th of August should be a day of pride and glory for every Indian citizen.
A scintillating performance projecting the awakening of the country through brilliant music and dance. Now, in our next story, we tell you how and where the tricolour is actually made. Not many of us know that in the entire country, the Khadi flags are produced only at two centres, Nanded in Maharashtra and Hubli in Karnataka. So today, we take you to the Nanded Khadi Gram Udyog, which has been producing the tricolour of various sizes over 20 years now. Take a look.
Nanded city in Maharashtra, home to among the biggest producers of the national flag, the Nanded Khadi Gram Udyog Samiti. The Khadi cotton comes from Chitradurg in Karnataka. Spinning and weaving work is done in Udgir in Latur district of Maharashtra. The woven cloth comes finally to the Nanded Samiti for the dyeing process, getting the shades just right. A speciality here is that the colors don't fade. The Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) lays down detailed instructions on cutting and stitching. 614 people in all are employed under this project.
ये प्रोसेस हमारी साल भर चलते रहती है, प्रोसेस हम करते रहते हैं। हमारे पास जो लोग हैं वो उदगीर में अपने 100 लोग काम करते हैं उसमें, और 21 लोग हमारे पास यहाँ नांदेड़ में काम करते हैं। और राष्ट्रध्वज का ही काम दिन अपना साल भर करते हैं। राष्ट्रध्वज हमारे पास 9 प्रकार के तैयार होते हैं। सबसे बड़ा 14x21 का एक बड़ा राष्ट्रध्वज है, और उससे सबसे छोटा 4 इंच वाला है।
There's huge demand from around the country for flags made here, and it rises every year. Distribution around the country begins well ahead of Independence Day. The Nanded Khadi Gram Udyog Samiti has functioned now for more than 2 decades, out of a dedication to the national flag and its brilliance. Every single piece churned out, the workers tell you, is special because it carries in it the spirit of India.
So right from the work of cutting the flag to the correct size as prescribed by the Bureau of Indian Standard to colouring and dyeing them is done to perfection by workers at this Udyog Samiti. And these flags are in great demand as these are very strong and also the colours don't fade away. Every year, this Samiti records sales worth several crore rupees ahead of the Independence Day celebrations. Indeed, a great way to serve the country. On that note, we slip into a very short break. There's much more lined up for you when we return. Do stay with us.
Coming up ahead, a tri-coloured treat.
Welcome back after the break. Well, the Independence Day celebrations across the country come in different forms. Right from cultural programs to kite flying, also to cuisine. And that's why on Food Trail today, let's sample some delights that revel in that spirit.
"68 years since India won independence. While the inherent cause for the celebration remains the same, goals have evolved, life has changed, horizons have widened. Beyond all the colours of the cultural extravaganza that Independence Day stands for, there can be no missing out on the Independence Day culinary flavours that have emerged strongly. Navandas, a restaurant in the capital, has specialised in the area with an array of fruit cakes, Rajasthani sweet ghevar and some global delights too, specially tailored to the occasion.
यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने फूड के लिए में काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा है जो कि ट्राई कलर्स के लिए बनाया है। जैसे अभी सावन का महीना चल रहा है तो वेदर में इस वेदर के अंदर जो है वो फूड जो होता है मिठाई वो घेवर है, तो हमने उसको ट्राई कलर के अंदर बना दिया है। हम बेकरी है हमारी, तो केक क्या बनाते हैं तो वो भी ट्राई कलर के अंदर हमने केक बनाया है। इवन बच्चे हैं उनको भी मोटिवेट करने के लिए और वो अट्रैक्ट हो फूड के लिए और हमारे नेशन और हमारे ट्राई कलर्स के लिए, तो उनके लिए पिज़्ज़ा है। तो हम लोग ऐसे बहुत सारे आइटम्स जो हैं जो बनाए हैं अभी इनिशली, तो कि जो हम करें और लोगों में वो फीलिंग आए कि हम नेशन के साथ जुड़े हैं, इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, उसे सेलिब्रेट करें।
Navandar's fruit cake has emerged as a favourite of sorts, and a great deal goes in its making of what has come to one of its showcase items. The icing process on the cake calls for some precisions, to be followed by the placing of fruits to give it an identity as an Independence Day special. Fruit of the angels, papaya for the saffron color, Galia melon for white, and then pieces of the kiwi fruit for the green band. And finally, the glazing, one of the simplest ways to dress up a cake. With the tricolour on the surface, the cake proved to be a perfect Independence Day treat. The second sweet treat on the menu, the Rajasthani ghevar. Besides Independence Day, the ghevar also coincides with Sawan. The ghevar is a disc-shaped sweet made with all-purpose flour and soaked in sugar syrup decorated with fruits. It is generally prepared in January for Makar Sankranti, in March to April for Gangaur, and in July to August for the Tej festival.
I've seen very happy people, and it's amazing. They create sweets, for example, with the colors of Indian flag, and for me it reflects their passion, their love for their country.
मुझे तो अपनी कंट्री के अंदर यूनिटी नज़र आती है, क्योंकि जितनी ज़्यादा यहाँ पे यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, इतने रिलीजन्स हैं, इतने सारे कल्चर्स हैं, ट्रेडिशंस हैं यहाँ पे, वो आपको किसी और कंट्री में नहीं मिलेंगे. यहाँ पे इंडिया में अगर आप बाहर भी जाएं, वो फीलिंग नहीं आती है जो यहाँ है. कुछ किलोमीटर्स के बाद यहाँ पे लैंग्वेजेस चेंज हो जाती हैं, यहाँ पे कल्चर्स चेंज हो जाते हैं, और फिर उनके जो नेचर्स हैं वो इतने अच्छे हैं, वो कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे आपको.
It goes beyond traditional Indian delicacies of the season. The Italian pizza is decked up in the Indian colors too. The array of vegetables creating a tricolor pizza was a cherry on the cake. All celebrating India's freedom, rejoicing in the spirit of patriotism.
Tricolor fever that is charming up, and here these sweet and tangy flavors with the tricolor theme are really fascinating. No matter whatever we do, wherever we go, we have an Indian side to us which is never going to change. So now you also go ahead and try your hand out on the usual stuff to create something beautiful like these. With this, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day and enjoy the sweet treat. With camera person Rajesh Agrawal, Ravleen Kaur for Rajya Sabha Television.
Yes, indeed. The spirit and fervour of India's independence permeates every aspect of our lives. On that note, we slip into a very short break. There's still more to come on the program. Don't go anywhere.
Up next, a short film that shows football as a way of empowering women.
Welcome back once again. Young, talented filmmakers in India these days are taking to the medium of short films to send out a powerful message. Here's one such film, Namita and Football, directed by Dilip Banerjee. This film delves deep into issues of women like freedoms of homemakers, her sportswoman avatar, and that fire of thrill and delight she nurtures within herself. Take a look for yourself.
Namita Hansda, her passion for football, her adulation for all-time icon David Beckham, and of course, her sheer skill at the sport. Namita is a homemaker in Purulia, West Bengal, in the thick of a conformist tribal mindset. Every morning she wraps up household chores and rushes out of doors to play with a friend. Her story is captured by photographer Dilip Banerjee in a short film.
What actually attract me, that's a housewife wearing shadi and the sindoor and the shakha and all these things. and he's playing football. And then it was always, last 2 years, it was always in my mind that it's a very symbolize of the empowerment of this thing, but it's really the support from the partner, the husband. It has to become very instantly. It's not that kind of put on some kind of thing. That is her support for this playing football.
Interestingly, in an age of taboos and restrictions on women, Namita's biggest support comes from her husband. He helps her break all the social barriers that come in the way. That support and her own steely determination take her from the confines of a small house to the freedom of the football field.
It's all about empowerment and liberation. It's also I feel it was kind of a challenge to the society that how a lady not only playing football but also motivating other women around to play football.
Namita Hansda's story stands for empowerment of women, freedom from backward mindset, and the medium is the grace and thrill of football.
Well, Hansa plays a role model for all the women in her village. A strong, symbolist brilliance radiates through this film. But what's required today is that we have more such role models in our society. On that note, it's time for me to take your leave. But before we wrap up, I leave you with visuals of unparalleled patriotism shown by some visually challenged students. You picture this as we take your leave. We'll see you same time next week with another bunch of exciting and colorful stories. Until then, take very good care. It's a goodbye from the entire team.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी तुम भूल न जाओ उनको इसलिए सुनो एक कहानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी तब तक थी सांस लड़े वो फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी सा रे नि सा रे म पा नि म पा पा मा रे सा नि सा रे सा नि सा रे म पा नि म पा पा मा रे सा नि सा रे सा साधते चलो न बल युग की नई तान को साधते चलो न बल युग की नई तान को सवारते सवार के सवार राग गान को सवारते सवार के सवार राग गान को पहले निज संस्कृति को आत्मसास कर तो लो माथे धूली चंदन कर सत्य व्रत कर चलो माथे धूली चंदन कर सत्य व्रत कर चलो नो निहालो नो निहालो नो निहालो सा रे सा रे रे म पा नी म पा पा मा रे सा नी। होशियार होशियार देश के बहादुरों, देश के बहादुरों होशियार, देश के बहादुरों होशियार। जागती जवानियाँ पुकारती, जागती जवानियाँ पुकारती, होशियार सोने वालों होशियार, होशियार सोने वालों होशियार।
हमारा झंडा हमारे देश की शान है, इसे हम तिरंगा कहते हैं। तिरंगे में 3 रंग होते हैं, केसरिया, सफ़ेद और हरा। इन तीनों रंगों के अलग अलग अर्थ होते हैं। झंडे के ये रंग कुछ विशेषताएं बताते हैं, जैसे केसरिया वीरता का प्रतीक, सफ़ेद शांति का संदेश देता है और हरा रंग खुशहाली और हरियाली दर्शाता है। हमारा झंडा हमें यह भी संदेश देता है कि हमें अपनी देश की रक्षा के लिए अपना सब कुछ बलिदान कर देना चाहिए। हमारा देश शांति में विश्वास रखता है, पर अगर हम पर कोई दुश्मन हमला करे तो हम पीछे नहीं हटते। हमारा तिरंगा बहुत संदेश देने वाला है, तभी तो हम इसका आदर करते हैं। आज से हम सब प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि हम सब इसका आदर करेंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
जय हिंद, जय भारत। जय हिंद, जय भारत।